village, among others. BJP State President Ernest Maury responded to the query on BJP pulling out from the MDA government during the press conference. He said this subject matter has been entrusted to the national leaders. He also informed that he met the national leaders and discussed many issues, especially how to fight elections, how to strengthen the party, and to identify many seats to contest. He reaffirmed that the central leaders will take a call on pulling out from the government. Meanwhile, former TMC MLA H.M. Shampliang, who recently joined the BJP at Delhi, while speaking to media persons, said that they have joined the BJP for the betterment of the state and of the people. He said, "We want to build roads, bridges, give roads to rural areas and would like to see intensive development in roads in the next 5 years."
This subject matter has been endorsed to the central leadership. So we are waiting for their call. We are making the strategy how to fight election, how to strengthen the party, and how to identify the seat, more seat, when they will sit. We have discussed all those things.
There is a lot that we should be doing for the state. The roads and communication that we want to bring. We want to bring bigger roads. We want to build bridges. We want to give roads to the rural areas. The PMGSY right now is also not extended to most of the rural areas. We would like to see an extensive development of rural roads in the next 5 years.
The Deputy Chief